Hello people, I'm Alpha. Today we are making a pizza. But first we have to wait for half an hour to make the pizza. Adriel is still taking the bus to get the ingredients from the grocery store. Chester is still shredding the cheese. Good, you're done. Time to make the pizza. Next, Louis will make the ingredient. Next, Louis will make the dough. Then Jaden will add the toppings. After that, I will prepare the crust. Finally, we bake it and serve it. Thank you for coming. See you.